Kooglupooglu. La 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 la. I was walking in a park and oh my, what is this? Do you guys know what it is? If you say compass, you are correct. And what does the compass tell us? It tells us our directions. Here we have north, east, south, and west. And I'm also surprised to learn it shows us which way is in between south and east. Southeast. And we also will learn what comes between southeast and south. South-southeast. So let's learn with me. And if you want to make your own compass, check my previous video on Make Your Compass Rose DIY. So let's start. So here we have north, south, east, west. Now what comes between north and east? Northeast, southwest, northwest, southeast. Now what comes between northeast and east? It comes east, north, east. And what comes between north and northeast? North, northeast. And what comes between south and southwest? South, southwest. And now it comes between west and southwest? West, southwest. And now it comes between west and northwest? West, northwest. What comes in between north and northwest? North, northwest. What comes in between east and southeast? East, southeast. And what comes in between south and southeast? South, southeast. Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.